second grader, this is Mrs. Borland, and I just wanted to say hi and welcome back to school. I am so excited that you're going to be joining me in a few more days. Whether this is your first year at Shaw or you have been here before, we cannot wait for you to walk into our classroom. We're going to have a great school year. We're going to learn so many cool things, have so much fun together, and continue to grow throughout the year. So make sure you take the next few days, enjoy them, play outside, do all the things you love, get lots of good rest, and get ready to go next week when it's time for school. I can't wait for you to be the best second grader ever. I'll see you soon. Bye.